Hey guys, Tanya here. Welcome to the channel. So glad you made it today. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul and it's a lot of household things, emergency preparedness type of things, okay? So you can give these for Father's Day, for a man's birthday, but I want to really emphasize that women, we don't need to sit around and wait on the guys to save us, and we need to be prepared with things ourselves. So these are just some things that can really make a difference in an emergency. You need to always have stuff ready. So first of all, this is something my husband is always asking me. He said, you got some glue? So I keep some wood glue on hand, some fix-it-all adhesive, and I got all of this stuff from Dollar Tree. Different glues, super glue, and you can really get, they have a lot of this stuff all year long, but you can really get some a lot more of it during Father's Day. So that's why people think that we're shopping a lot, we have to do retail arbitrage. Like during the certain holidays, you're going to have more stuff geared towards the men. So we capitalize on that. Go to the store, you know, when the stuff's out there. If you need Christmas stuff, you got to go get it at Christmas time or around Christmas time to get the best deals. Okay, always have some packing tape. So like, and if you are married, you know, get one for your household. You might want to get one for hubby's toolkit. You get one for your toolkit, okay? Women, we need a toolkit. Okay, all right. Even though I'm a girly girl, I love dishes and dinnerware and dinner parties, but then, and first of all, I was a caterer, so I was on location. So I always had to be prepared for anything. So I always had to have stuff. I had a cleaning business. I always had to have stuff, you know, in my caddy. So here is some heavy duty duct tape. And I see a lot of times the contractors, you know, small business handyman, they get this stuff and they get it fast. But during Father's Day, there's a lot more of it out there. So we may have a chance of getting some. And that box was almost empty when I went in there today. Okay, so duct tape, packing tape, get us some nylon cable ties. We call them zip ties. I get them in white and black. I put them in my own personal toolbox, put it in the family's toolbox. Okay, here's another, yeah, wood glue. I got 2 wood glues. You know, baseboards may break or something, you know, anything. Okay, then we want to get, you know, keep a tape measure. You know, instead of going, you know, I'm not talking about heavy duty construction, contractor type stuff. This is stuff for household use that, you know, you have it and hopefully you won't need a lot of the stuff, but it's there for you when you do. My husband has heavy duty stuff, but I'll fill in the gaps with some small things that can help with household issues. Okay, help. So, you know, he can, like, if he breaks his, you know, we always have something. Okay, so these are nice. These are pretty heavy too, this measuring tape. Got that. Here's a little 8-in-1 screwdriver. You put that in your, we need these little hex keys because there's, you know, drawers and stuff and handles and stuff. We need to have this stuff ourselves, okay? And screwdriver. You know, the men may not think this is strong enough, but for us, we can do some, we can get jobs done around our own house with these, okay? Screwdriver. A little hacksaw can come in handy. You get these wire brush sets. These are excellent. See, all of this stuff I would have on me when I was cleaning, because sometimes, you know, I might have to do little small repairs on something. You know, the client might say, can you fix this? Can you do, the kids did this, the cat did that, you know. And if I could easily do it, I would do it. So, and I always got, like at the end of the year, like for my birthday, I always got a little extra money, you know, in my, you know, when they would send me my money. Christmas cards, oh, they would put me some nice piece of change, you know. So everything doesn't have to be so totally transactional. You know, you can, you know, be kind and do a little bit more if you can, When you're the boss, you can do that. Okay, and then I like this foldable hex key. Okay, you got all these different, how many in there? Eight pieces. Got one for the house, one for your spouse, one for your house, one for your spouse, one for you. Okay, talking to my girls here. You need to be prepared, all right? Okay, and just going to Dollar Tree. This stuff is good, and it will keep us prepared. All right, and then we got these LED portable work lights. Now, power can go out. Power does go out eventually. Okay, you have a side LED light, and then you have a front LED light. Let's see. So you put your batteries in here, and you press this down, and you can go around the house. If you're working on something, keep one in your car. You need to get under that hood. This is what my dad showed me. And then if you just need like a light like for the whole room or something, then you turn it this way. These are cute. These are good. Hey, all right. Talking to my girls. Survival kit. That's what this video is. This is survival kit. Okay. Now, we have a 2-in-1 flashlight. You know, we always need our flashlight. And I got a bunch of, let's see how many, what does it need? Okay, removable, remove batteries promptly. So it has this is a 2-in-1 flashlight, super bright, second LED light. So get a couple of these, maybe get 4 if you can afford it. If not, like I said, I prefer to have 2 of these and 2 of those portable work lights. Okay, let me show you what. Okay, so you have your flashlight like this, and then you have some more lights like this on this display here. Okay, put our batteries in here. Let's see what size they look like. AAA. Yeah, AAA. We're gonna need 2. Let's see, 1, 2, 3 AAA batteries for this. That's why we buying all that other mess. And I'm saying me too, because I buy a lot of, it's not junk. It's very useful stuff, but we need to have our house in order, okay? I have my hubby, he's gone a lot. He works hard, and I need to be able to hold down the fort. Okay, and we need to hold down the fort. You got children in the house, you got to be ready. Okay, so here you're gonna need, And this one, you just put 3 AA batteries in the back here. I'm sorry, you guys. I've been shopping all day and organizing, so I can't run upstairs right now, but just want to show you what's out there. So, and then this time of the year, they always have these toolboxes. So get a couple of these. Put your little items in here. It'll fit all this stuff. Put your glues in here. All these little things. This little thing hold a lot. And you will have your own toolkit, okay? All right, everything you need. Okay, guys, so just wanted to share that with you. Just wanted to share some emergency preparedness things with you. You know, you get some snacks, always keep some water on hand, and you know, you can have this for yourself. You can gift this to someone. If you know grandma's low on her emergency preparedness, your auntie, you know, you got some kids, like, you know, a lot of my family members and goddaughter, my nephews, all of them, they're starting their lives, and, you know, you want to prepare them, get them a nice emergency kit started. You know, that this will be a good way. This is a good time to do it too, around June, when Father's Day, okay? Okay, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you like my vibe, hit subscribe, join the tribe, and hit that bell notification so you will be notified the next time I upload any new content. All right, see you in my next video. Bye. Bye, Mom. Mom, you got your emergency stuff? You know, just let me know.